So guys, yesterday you guys were saying that the video was in bad quality. I'm very sorry for that. I was trying to upload on the go, so I wasn't like in Wi-Fi. So that's the reason why it didn't upload well. And I'm trying my best to speak right and make a bunch of stuff. I know Rudnick got a bunch of crap too when he first started for saying stuff wrong, but it's whatever. It's just human nature, guys. And on the 300 here, we're currently waiting on a couple of intercoolers and some blow-off valves for it. The intercoolers are right there and right there, and then the blow-off valves are kind of tucked away up on this side and up in this side. But that's what I'll be working on today, trying to get the intercoolers into this and get this finished so that this can go ahead and get out of here. And then the red GTR is going back to paint so that it can get wet sanded for the final time, and so that it can come back to us and we can put the haul tech in and start having some fun with it. And other than that, guys, that's what I'll be doing today. So guys, I looked out back and I was like, when I was pulling out the 180, and I was like, whoa, what is that? And then, bam, look at this thing. Is this actually an S15? Kinda looks like it. Nope. It's 240. He swapped the front end on it. He put different rear tail lights in it. This is Jason, the guy that had that GTR that I was working on, and we put the rear diffuser on and did all the other little body work to it. This is also his car. He's got 3 cars that he brings to us all the time. I'll give you guys a little walk around, but he's got side splitters in the back, the nice big exhaust in the back. I really am digging these end keys on this thing. I really like them. And then an old Sylvia front end. I really like the front on this thing. It makes it look different. It makes it, like, I really did look out and I was like, wow, is that actually an S15 sitting in the back? I got super excited and everything, and I was gonna say like, oh yeah, this is like the 2 cars that I really want to get, the 180 and then an S15. But then I got up closer to it and I was like, wait a minute, S15s have to be right-hand drive because they never were brought to America. So, and then I looked at the side and I was like, oh, it's a 240. But inside, he's got Bride seat brackets and then Corbeau. I really don't know how to pronounce that. I hope I'm saying it right. Seats, they're really nice. They actually have a lot of cushion in them, so they kind of feel like stock. The nice Nardi wheel like Chris has. I believe this one's a little bit smaller though, because it doesn't feel as big as his in your hand. And then I'm digging the dash cover. I think it's a dash cover or it's an aftermarket dash, because he does have the gauges like in the dash, so that's pretty cool. And then to complement the steering wheel with the red stitching, he also got the red stitched Alcantara shift boot for it. So that's really nice. So guys, I've just been putzing here. I got both intercooler ducts off, the like vent things that put the air directly onto the intercooler. I got both intercoolers off on both sides. That was there. And now I just got to find out where the wastegates are up underneath in there and start taking those off. But these are pretty simple. It's just like 2 bolts on that side and then 2 clips on that side, and then that comes out. And then there's only 3 bolts on these. You just wiggle them and pull them out. So I'm going to start trying to find the wastegates and take those out. I got all the intercooler piping off for both sides. The intercoolers are right there. This blow-off valve is out basically. I just have to pull off the line up there at the top right there, and then This side is gonna be a big pain because it has parts for the AC in line with it that goes all in front of it. So this one's gonna be quite a bit of a pain, but I'm just gonna keep working and hopefully they come out nice and easy and I'm taking out the right parts. So guys, the box has finally arrived.
Yeah, they just got here right after
Chris showed up too. Time to unveil. Oh, yeah. Time to put in some joy. Is your motor gonna blow up?
Nope. You know what's gonna happen though?
What?
The guy that everyone watching Marcus's channel right now, you just gotta go to mine. Just subscribe.
Okay, that's about enough. So guys, after unboxing everything, here's everything nice and shiny, all ready to go in. There is 2 air ducts right here. These 2, we don't know if they're going to fit onto this to be put in because these things are double the thickness of the stock ones right there. So basically you're going from all of this, or from all of this to all of this. The blow-offs are mounted up in the top up here instead of being mounted in here in the bumper area. So that's all going to be done. And first off, I'm going to put the 2 little blocker caps, one right there and one right there. And then I'm just going to start going through and I'll probably just show the final picture at the end and talk about it then. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today is actually a new day. I'm going to be finishing that 300 that I just got all the parts for yesterday. After I left yesterday and went home to go eat, I really didn't want to come back, so I kind of just stayed home and hung out and watched a lot of TV. But today's a new day. We got to get this finished so we can get it out of here and just keep going on it. So guys, it's all finished now. We got all the piping on the top done and the intercooler is all mounted and I put in the intake again. So here's the final thing. Everything is, it's not really like hard. It's just that everything has to be in there the precise way. Like all the clamps have to be in the same ordinance on going side to side and up and down. All the labels have to be facing out. You got to get the blow-offs to like get in there properly and stuff. And then the intercoolers are very big in here and you have to like move them all around and get them all situated and stuff in there. But it looks good. Finally done with it all. I'm just gonna keep putting the bumper back on now. And that's about it for this video though, guys. So if you like it, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.